In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix AliExpress payment error. If your checkout keeps failing or you're seeing a transaction declined message, don't worry, let's walk through what reliably fixes it. Start by opening AliExpress and heading to Account, then Payment. Remove any saved card on file. Now re-add your card carefully, typing the number, expiry date, and CVV, exactly as they appear on the card. For the billing address, make sure it matches your bank's records down to the postal code and formatting. This alone resolves many declines caused by tiny mismatches. Also double check that your card isn't expired and that it supports online and international payments. Some banks or basic debit cards restrict cross-border or e-commerce transactions by default. If payments still fail, contact your bank or card issuer. Banks often block AliExpress as a precaution. Ask them to allow AliExpress and international e-commerce, enable 3D secure or one-time passwords for online purchases, and remove any temporary security blocks on your card. After they confirm, try the payment again. This is the most common fix when you see transaction declined. Next, verify your AliExpress account. Go to Account and complete both email and phone verification. AliExpress uses risk checks, and unverified accounts can trigger payment blocks. Avoid using a VPN, logging in from multiple accounts, or repeatedly attempting failed payments, as these patterns can look suspicious and extend a temporary hold. If your card keeps failing, try a different payment method. PayPal often has a higher success rate and can add an extra layer of security. You can also try Alipay, a different credit or debit card, or Payoneer if it's supported in your region. Switching methods is a quick way to separate card-related issues from account or platform checks. Make sure your country, currency, and address are consistent. Your shipping address should match your country, your card's country should match your AliExpress account's country, and your selected currency shouldn't conflict with your card's settings. If you're shopping on a regional AliExpress site, set the correct region and currency and confirm your postal code format is valid for your country. Finally, use a different device or network. Payments can be blocked by a suspicious IP, public Wi-Fi, or active VPN use. Switch to mobile data, try another phone or a different browser, and clear the AliExpress app cache before retrying. Follow these steps in order, and you should be able to complete your purchase smoothly.